Now select current date. It returns the current date means current date. So today is 13th May. So it will return current date in YYY DD, that is May means 05 mm, and DD, today's date is 13. So this will be the output of select current date. Now next is select year current date. Now what is current date? Current date is 2020 5/13 and year extracts the year part. So this answer will be 2020 plus month of current date. Again, what is current date? Today's date is 2020 05/13. Month will extract the month part. So 2020 plus 05. So the answer is 2025. So now the answer you'll write here 2025. Now next one, 11th question. In STR concat. So start matching the brackets. Opening bracket, opening bracket, opening bracket, first closing bracket. So it is the pair of last opening. Next closing bracket. The second last opening. Last closing will be for this. Now this left has two arguments in format is comma 6. So left will extract 6 characters from the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So inform. So this answer will be inform. You can use pencils for this. This answer will be inform. Now concat practices inform. So the string will become practices inform. Okay, this much answer is inform. Concat practices comma inform is practices inform. Now in STR practices inform comma this comma I. So what is the purpose of in STR? In STR finds the position of this string in the string. So find the position of I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First occurrence, it is 6th position. So the final answer will be 6 here. Now next is select day of month and the date. So again read the date and day of month will find out the date of that month. That is 11th month means November. So this is 26th day of 11 means November. So it will be 26 here. And the second answer, instead of comma you can use tabular form. Day of year this. Now this is 12th March. So day of year counts from beginning of the day, that is first day as 1st January and last day 365th day if it is not a leap year as 31st December. So it means it will go on adding. So it is 12th March. So 31 days of January, then 29 days. It was 2020. So 2020 had 29 days. So 29 days here. And 12 days of March. So this is 3 means March. Before this you have 2 more months. So count their days. 31 of January, 29 of February and 12 of March. So 9 and 1, 10. 10 and 2, 12. 3 and 4, 5, 7. So 72. So till 12th March there are 72 days. So 72 answer. Now next is now function. Now simply returns the date and the time. For example, today's date is 20/05 May 13 and suppose the time is 4 o'clock. So 4 HH 04. Suppose it is 45 minutes and 10 seconds. So this is the output of now. Now sleep means it will ask the system to sleep for 10 seconds. This 10 is seconds. Again now, so it will give the same output, that is 2020 0513 date followed by the time 04 45 10. So this will be the output. Output in two parts, first now and the second now. This is for the sleep. Nothing will be displayed. Now displays date and time when the query begins to execute. So up till the end of the query, the time and date, everything remains same. So you will get exactly same output for both the now functions. But if you use sysdate, then you will have the difference in time recorded here. So in the next question, this question, if we have sysdate, otherwise both functions, they display same thing, that is year and time. The difference is now displays the system date and time when the query began to execute, while sysdate displays system date and time when the function executes. So this function when executes, it will display its date and time, and when this sysdate function will execute, it will display its system date and time. So these two sysdate may give different output, but the now, if they are being written in the same statement, they will give same output. So here the output will be 2020. Say if it is today's date, that is 0513 and time. Now it is 4 o'clock, so 4:45 10 seconds. And sleep, because it is sleeping but the system clock is working, so this is date. After 10 seconds, date will remain same, but after 10 seconds the time will change. Hours will remain same, minutes will remain same, but this 10 seconds will now change to 20 seconds because the system was sleeping for 10 seconds. So this is difference between now and sysdate. Okay, so this difference of 10 seconds, because the system was sleeping for 10 seconds, but sysdate takes the system date and time. System was running, it was on, system clock keeps on running, so you'll get this time gap in sysdate. And this answer, select day name, car date, this is 2020 0513. Day name of this, what is today's day name? Today is Wednesday, comma means a next column, output in the next column. So comma, day of week. So today is again the same day, 2020 5:13. So what is, which day is today? Start. 1 is Sunday, 2 is Monday, 3 is Tuesday, so 4 becomes Wednesday. So today is Wednesday, so the output will be 4.